Hi, it's me again. I just wanted to show you how to access the discussion board that I put up. It's under Engage. We're going to be talking about our See Think Wonder, just like I would ask in class when we do our See Think Wonder. What do you think is happening in this image? And I would also ask, what do you wonder? So, I have clicked over onto the discussion tab, and right up here it says, what do you think this image has to do with our science class? What connections can you make or conclusions can you draw? And then there's directions right down here. Click on the row that you want to respond to and click the response button. New comments go in column C. And if you're responding to the previous person directly, so you're having a conversation with them and responding to what they said, remember to be respectful. Place comments in column D. Suggestions to click on column F when you reply. So remember, it's okay for us to disagree with people or to agree with people. Just remember that we use our language frames. And we're respectful about it. So I disagree with you because, or I saw it another way. And it's perfectly okay to have a difference of opinion. So I'm going to start over here and follow the directions. I'm going to put in my name. Yeah, okay. I'll put in my name. And then I'm going to start you off with a sentence starter. I think the image has waves because. So, done. So the next thing to do, so if you're the next person to come in, if you wanted to respond to my comment, you would click in that box and then click here to respond. Oops. It's a little different because I own this, but it won't do that when you click on it. And then you can go ahead and I'll put in that and put a response to the comment. Oops. I always do that. I hit enter and you can't hit enter. All right. So I guess I'm just putting one sentence in there. But this is how we're going to have a discussion board and be able to talk to each other while we are learning.